Hi guys, making this fix for the ATT for the cursors. I looked around on my computer as well on CHADWM, and something that I looked up. So on the ArcoLinux channel you can actually look here, cursor, and then default, and see if I got a hit, because there's something I think I have not made a video yet about. A lot of videos about cursors, but on my own system we have here the the icons. Voila. There is an icons folder, and in here is a default folder in there, just like I just shown you in the video previously. So 2 videos previous in the numbering, you'll see that we're talked about the index theme, and it contains something written by Alex Appearance. So it matters, it all matters on what desktop you are. 33 desktops. Alex Appearance is one of the tools to set themes. And there is still a leftover from my previous endeavors, right? So the message of the video is that's also where you can define how your theming should look for a cursor. So don't forget, in my case, don't forget to remove it, because I want everything to be bata. Right, so that's another way of setting things. So it's basically mimicking the folder system and the file that's in user, share, local, icons, default, right? Basically doing that, but that's done locally, and you're in control of your icon as a user, right? Okay, that's it. Cheers.